Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to set hibernation time in Windows 11. The hibernation feature in Windows 11 works similarly to sleep mode. When you select sleep mode in the shutdown menu, the current state of your PC, including all running apps, open windows, etc., is saved in RAM, and your computer goes into a low power mode. If you use a battery-powered device, such as a laptop, it will keep draining your battery to maintain RAM, but your entire desktop is restored almost instantly when you wake it up again. As said before, hibernate mode is similar to sleep mode but safer. In hibernation mode, all the opened windows and apps are saved to a file on your computer's hard drive or SSD, which does not require power to maintain, and then the computer is shut down completely. When you switch on your computer, all your apps and windows are restored in the same state as you saw in sleep mode. Hibernate mode is safer compared to sleep mode. In the event of a power failure, you won't lose your work. How to set a time to start hibernate mode in Windows 11. You can manually put your PC in hibernate mode by clicking on Start and then selecting Shutdown and choosing Hibernate option if it is enabled on your computer. Besides that, you can also set your computer to go into hibernate mode automatically after a certain period of inactivity. To specify a time to enter into hibernate mode in Windows 11 or 10 automatically, first, click the Start button on the taskbar and then type Control or Control Panel. In the search results, click the Control Panel to open it. When Control Panel appears on your PC, ensure View By is set to Category and then click the System and Security category. In the following screen, click on Power Options. On the right pane, beside the current power plan, click the Change Plan Settings link. On the Edit Plan Settings window, click on the Change Advanced Power Settings option. When you're done, the Power Options window will open. Here, expand Sleep, and then expand Hibernate after. Now, double-click on the On Battery and Plugged In options one by one and set a new time in minutes. Please note that you can choose different times for when the computer is running on battery and when it is plugged in. Now, click the Apply button. Finally, click the OK button. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you want to watch more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.